Alright, so these are the random messages popping up on Sharp Inverter AC whenever the outside temperature is crossing 45 degrees. So right now it is 47 degrees outside. So this is what happens on a 1.1 ton Sharp inverter AC. So right now it's saying -0 and 6. Earlier, about a couple of hours ago, it was showing -5 and probably 0 or something, I don't remember. But these messages keep popping up, probably indicating that the outside unit is getting overheated. So Sharp needs to make these outside units compatible with tropical weather up to 48 degrees or more, so that these issues don't pop up, because in extreme heat these ACs really struggle. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.